maririnig kung pangalan ni Yahweh because of the prohibition. And this prohibition, mga kapatid, is really strong and in place. Kung inyo mong titingnan, itong ginawa ko dito, ito pong replacement ay, tawag ko dyan ay substitution. Kung inyo pong titingnan, may nangyari pong substitution sa atin pong sa ating bansa noon, in one of the awards night, nagkaroon po ng substitution. Hindi natuwa ang mga tao. Pero kita ko natin yung slide. Ewan ko lang kung mga kami nakakani si Sister Jake, nakakaalala nito eh. Yung take it, take it. Di ba Sister Jake na, dito sa inyo, mga bata pa kasi kayo, hindi nila intindihan yung take it, take it. Ito po sa gitna, si Miss Mauritius. Ito sa kabila, si Gretchen. At ito sa kabila ay kapatid ni Rufa Gutierrez po yan. Okay? Yung pala, ang ordinary dito ay si Lolit Solis. This is the Manila Film Festival Award. May mga awardee. Kaya lang, nung binigay ng pangalan, nag-switch. Nagkaroon po ng switching. Nung binasa nito si Baba G, ibang pangalan, dapat ang manalo ay si Edo Manzano. Ang switching, ang pangalan na lumabas din ay si Gabby Concepcion. Si Gabby Concepcion was managed by Lolit Solis. And the best actress should be Aiko Melendez, pero dahil sa switching, ang nanalo ay si Rufa Gutierrez. And yung Rufa Gutierrez is also a talent of Lolit Solis. So when Miss Mauritius, who did a malicious deed, he was reading a different name from the list. Eto si Gretchen, nung nakita niya, bakit iba binibigkas? Anong nakasulat, iba ang binibigkas. Tumayo yung mga hindi deserving. Kaya nagulat si Gretchen, bakit gano'n? And it caused an uproar, and it caused an investigation. Bakit? Kasi, yung dapat nabigyan ng parangal, hindi nabigyan. Yung hindi dapat nabigyan ng parangal, yun ang sikat. Because of switching, because of substitution. In the same way, mga kapatid, kaya ako nagkaroon ng take it, kasi hawak din itong kapatid ni si Rufa, ibang pangalan, sabi ko ni Miss Mauritius, take it, tago mo na kasi nakikita. Kaya take it. So makikita po natin mga kapatid, sa ganitong paraan, only, anong pinag-uusapan ko din? Just the awards. Just the fame that you are the best actor for that season. It already caused an uproar because those who really deserve to win were not accorded with the same honor. How much more regarding our faith? Ganon din mga kapatid, sa atin, we have a true Creator who created the heavens and the earth. And what happened? The people switched His name and substituted His name. Kaya ngayon, hindi siya kilala ng mga tao. Naturo po yan sa Bible school that the preachers all know this, the pastors all know this. Napakarami ko na po mga pastors na nakausap. When I talk to them about the name Yahweh, I've talked to a number of them. Isa lang po ang sinasabi nila. I was actually expecting na sasabihin nila sa akin, what you're saying is wrong, you better shut up. Walang nagsabi nun. Ni isa sa kanila kagagaling po ng mga professors in the Bible. And they were just one is saying, what you're saying is true. The name of the Father is Yahweh, but I ought to use the more popular one, which is Lord and God. Eh sa totoo lang mga kapatid, yung head pastor of United Church of God in the Philippines, you know, United Church of God, they're very related to our faith. Kasi sa keeper din sila, they also follow the dietary law. The only difference we have with them is that they don't use the name Yahweh and Yeshua. And when I talk to him, sabi po ng aking kasi yung pastor doon, pinsan ko, very intelligent person. He's a very good writer. Nasabi niya sa akin is, the name Yahweh, that's right, that's really true. Pero I just stay with him, with this group who's preaching the name Lord and God. Anyway, they refer to the same person. That's his